Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive movement. I mean, when you stop thinking about the fact that just on Thursday the price was there, and all of a sudden the price has worked its way all the way up to that point. Any rational person would say, yeah, this was definitely a very nice move today. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 55 cents. Why is 55 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but for explanation's sake, one potential scenario is the price comes down here to 55 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at 55 cents. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, so if this upwards movement just continues to grind higher and higher, where's some of these main battlegrounds at? So for this, let's clear up the chart here a little bit, and then we can focus on resistance levels. I'm also going to squeeze down the chart right here. And that's what makes this chart relatively interesting, because next level of resistance, not until up there right around 75 cents. So there's still some room for this thing to get moving, but if it can continue to get moving, then 75 cents will be looking like the next big test here for any sort of continued bounce. But overall, very impressive way to start off the new week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.